cake.
Yeah, man. Let's have some germs.
Some of these old stuff, is it?
I could not be happier with the way that went. It was really good. Thank you so much to everyone who turned up and came along for it. Thank you to Allie for the cake and sorting out the candles. Thank you to Denny for the drinks. Thank you to my dad for paying for the private hire. That was, oh, I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much for doing that. And, well, it's not our birthday yet. It's actually 2 weeks today. But we're pretty much in the over 40s club now. Even got stickers to prove it, which I can't show you because it's in the back of the car, in my bag. Should have thought that, really. Never mind. Thank you for watching, and there will be more soon. Cheers.